Hello friends, thank you very much for watching my earlier video wherein I have mentioned you what are all the hard data research techniques, what are all the soft data research techniques, and what are all the traits you need to inculcate while attending an interview. In this episode I am going to tell you why you have to look for a change. So basically, to answer this question you need to pose a question to yourself whether it's worth to take a risk to go for a long run happiness or not. So in this regard, I am going to tell you one random example of Kattappa from Bahubali movie. In Kattappa, what he was doing, he was enjoying a kind of freedom with respect to the slavery. Even though he gets a chance to decide what to eat, how to fight, etc., he has no functions other than eating, sleeping, fighting, and executing a set of predefined duties, etc. So basically, love is not part of this equation is what I wanted to say. Having said that, he is ultimately slave to the royal family. I am seeing lot many people who are slave to the entities where currently they are working. I call this as an organizational syndrome. So basically what happens? A person affected by this syndrome has the feeling that he no longer have the skills to live any other way other than by doing this job. And ultimately he chooses a life of duty and end up in repression. So I would suggest everyone to examine and evaluate whether you want to live life on your own terms and conditions or get affected by the repression. If you ask me, what are your priorities while seeking a job? So my priorities, my order of priority would be: 1, there has to be enthusiastic environment. 2, there has to be a sense of ownership. 3, there has to be certain cross-functional responsibilities assigned to me. And 4, there should be access to the top management wherein I get a chance to interact with every one of them and understand their plans down forward. And 5, there should be a chance for me to build a proper team. For all of these, you need to have patience for doing all these tasks. I personally have seen lot many people who have weaponized gratitude against themselves. Gratitude they are having against organization in specific by sending a message to the brain that their personal ambition, hunger for growth, desire to contribute on a bigger scale is absolutely invalid. What I suggest is that before choosing a new job, you need to understand why you want to move from the existing organization. I could see 3 major factors for moving out of organization. One is either having bad relationship with the stakeholders, or growth opportunities are not available within your organization, or there are certain package related issues. 1, bad relationships. Bad relationships are normally formed because of gossiping. So you are having a very bad relationship by virtue of gossiping will literally turn organization into a battlefield, and each team is forced to pick up a side. Second thing is unreliability, overextending yourself by giving targets which are all not possible to reach. By virtue of this, what will happen? Your credibility ultimately gets affected with the management and you will have a bad relationship with them. And third thing is procrastination. So doing your best in the last minute, especially if you are working in a team, doing your best in the last minute will put unwarranted pressure on your entire team. So plan everything in advance and do the best which is best for the organization. Fourth thing would be bullying. You should, because of your seniority or the kind of powers you have in your position, you will end up bullying people and then they turn against the organization and ultimately leaving them. And then stealing credit, not giving undue credit to the stakeholders for the work what they have done will end up making them to explore opportunities for their better interest, and then not being a team player. So ultimately you just need to overcome all these factors for sticking to the organization. Second thing is growth opportunities, like you don't have career advancement plan within this organization, or there could be some work-life balance which we often see with the Indian companies. Having said that, if you are thinking to move out of this organization only because of growth opportunity, then understand possibilities with your senior, what all possibilities which the company is offering, and then you seek their help and ultimately identify ideal opportunities which are all currently available. Having said that, you need to have your own cultural influential allies within the organization who should be your mentors, who should be able to guide you, teach you how to take it way forward. And the third factor is package issue, meaning losing money. So the thing is, there is always an element of opportunity cost involved. If you are sticking to this organization, then there is always possibility that the other organization is offering a better package which is much more than what exactly you are currently getting. Having said that, I'll give you one example wherein which I have personally experienced in one of my organization. So we were working in a team and we have one senior member who was ultimately looking after all the compliance part. Then what has happened, there was some senior position which got vacated and there was one vacancy available. So we were all expecting that this gentleman will get inducted into that senior position. So then what has happened, they brought a new person altogether by offering hefty amount, and there were no increments for any of us during that year. So these factors, like this sort of things will have a negative impact on working of the organization, and ultimately this gentleman who was a senior, much more senior to all of us, he left the organization seeking better compensation. So basically, before choosing a new job, always do a brainstorming whether this role use my portfolio of strengths or not, whether this portfolio aligns my area of interest or not, whether organization culture matches my personality or not, whether this role will enable lifestyle I want, and then switch to the role which challenges all your capabilities. So please keep it in mind that this is the investment you are going to make for your better and bright future. Thank you very much for taking your time, and do feel free to reach me anytime.